Rainy LA plus brain injury care tips. If the weather is hitting your brain hard today, try these gentle helpers. 1. Take your supplements, whatever your doctor recommends. Mine are C, D, and B complex. 2. Eat something yummy and nourishing avocado. Omega-3s, colorful veggies, protein, healthy fats. 3. Today is not a diet day chocolate. Give yourself a treat. A little chocolate or ice cream is totally fine. 4. Move a little. Even bed yoga counts. Gentle movement helps the brain. 5. Connect with love. Hug your pet. Call a friend. Let someone warm your heart. 6. Boost your mood. An uplifting podcast or a cozy movie goes a long way. 7. Bring in calm. Meditate, journal, or listen to soothing music. Be extra kind to yourself today. Your brain works so hard.